Hi, good evening. Today I would like to talk about satellite communication. Throughout my time in the military, I've gotten to learn a lot about satellite communication and how it impacts the world. It is a great and useful tool for us, um, both governmental and civilian side, uh, that benefits us in lots of different ways. Some obvious examples are GPS navigation, telecommunications, and satellite imagery. But there's what I really want to talk about today is the two types of orbits that we see with satellites, the most common types. That is low Earth orbit and geostationary Earth orbit. So with low Earth orbit, that's going to be anywhere from 160 to 2,000 kilometers above the Earth's surface. It is constantly orbiting the Earth um, at a faster rate of speed than the Earth is. And some of the primary uses are things such as GPS and Starlink. Low Earth orbit provides us with more endpoint to endpoint communication, and in turn, is faster. This is because it is not having to travel nearly as far to communicate the same amount of data. Then we talk about geostationary orbit. Geostationary orbit is approximately 35,000 kilometers above the Earth's surface. And some common uses for that are telecommunications again. Some of these are things like satellite TV or um, satellite internet, HughesNet, if anybody is familiar with it. But it's much slower. The satellites are much further above the Earth, and for the signal to travel further, it actually will have to go either up to the satellite and back down to a major terminal, or it will have to jump satellite to satellite. Now, the good thing about these satellites, though, is they're stationary. So when you see an antenna on the roof of a house for DirecTV or Dish Network, it's pointing at a geostationary satellite. So I just wanted to cover a few of the different types of satellites and orbits that we use in our telecommunications world, and shed a little bit of light on that. Thanks.